Hi everyone, thanks for joining me again. Today we're going to be going through our little UC-20. So first we'll do a little unbox and then I'll go through it, which will probably be pretty quickly. And then we'll go into a little bit more detail about it, show you a demo and all the rest of the bits and pieces. But for this video, it's just going to be a straight unbox. So let's go ahead, we'll open this bad boy up and see what we got, shall we? So we lift the lid and we have a lovely little user manual that describes all about the product and how to use it. You will need a PC in order to operate this unit in its most effective capacity, because there are a few things you have to alter on a text document, but in the next video we'll show you more about that. You then have the actual UC-20 itself. So it's got like a little clip on the back and you've got a rotating lens on the front that allows you to rotate it through so it's sitting parallel to the clip or sitting face out if you're recording lectures or something like that. Then in the box you've also got a little micro USB to USB cable. As I said, this box, there's not a lot to the little unit, so make a little micro USB to USB cable. The only other thing you're going to need for the UC-20 is a micro SD card. So to recording footage, the unit needs an external micro SD card to be plugged into it. It just goes in the base of the unit, but you do need to purchase that separately. Through our website we do have them for sale, so you can click on the little micro SD card when you click on the UC-20, and then you get them both shipped out together all in one go for you. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing, guys. Like I said, there's not a lot to it. Instruction manual, unit, micro USB cable. We'll jump on the next video and I'll show you a little bit more about it. I'll show you how to edit the text document and a couple of features of the actual unit itself. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.